What is this? Just wait, something cool's gonna happen.
And welcome to Facts or Frauds.
What you are witnessing is real. The participants are not actors.
This is in the District Court of Butler County, Kansas, case entitled State of Kansas versus Trevor Grant Tony. It's case number 2023 CR 496. Jared Regier appears on behalf of the state of Kansas and the Butler County Attorney's Office. Trevor Grant Tony appears from the Butler County Detention Center Zoom location. This was a special setting for first appearance, continued over from yesterday's docket, because at that point, the court did not have access to the charging document or a case number. That has now been remedied. Mr. Tony, do you have a copy of your charging document before you? He's shaking his head no. Count 1 alleges fleeing or attempting to elude an officer, a level 9 person felony. Count 2, interference with law enforcement, a level 9 non-person felony. These are felony charges. You will not be asked to plead at this time. Rather, a preliminary hearing scheduling will be made before your assigned judge, Mr. Tony, which is the Honorable Jan Satterfield. Judge Satterfield's next docket setting for that purpose would be February the 20th, 2024 at 2:30 p.m. You must fully participate in Judge Satterfield's docket at that time. February 20th, 2024, 2:30 p.m. Mr. Tony, do you have the financial resources to hire your own lawyer? You could give a verbal response, you know. You're not going to give a verbal response? You're refusing to? The court will appoint a lawyer to represent Mr. Tony. James Watts will be appointed. Recommendation regarding bond here, Mr. Regier?
Your Honor, $5,000 cash surety with all standard conditions. As the court has already observed, this is a case involving multiple felonies. My understanding is that the defendant does have some prior convictions for non-traffic related offenses that are misdemeanors, 5 in total. I am also showing another open case in Butler County which appears to involve the same defendant.
Is there any record of non-appearance in court?
One moment, Your Honor. Your Honor, I'm showing that in the other case, there has not been a first appearance. With respect to a closed case from Butler County, 22 CR 330, it would appear that in that case, although that is a case that has since been resolved earlier this year, as I understand there were no failures to appear in that one.
All right. Mr. Tony, where do you currently reside? Mr. Tony, you're not helping yourself by refusing to speak.
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
Under the circumstances, it appears that to the court that Mr. Tony is not only failing to respond, he just is totally non-cooperative on a voluntary basis. Apparently, you think that that's being smart. Mr. Tony, the court disagrees. You're obviously a very poor risk for any type of low bond in the case. I don't know anything about your financial resources, your residence, your employment, any of your situation other than what Mr. Regier has stated to the court. The court's going to set bond in this case at $25,000 cash or professional surety required. Again, with an obligation to appear if that bond is made on Judge Satterfield's docket, February 20, 2024 at 2:30 p.m. Mr. Tony, I would hope that you would reconsider your position and try to cooperate with any court official or any lawyer that might be appointed to you. I think taking the attitude that you have today isn't going to be particularly helpful in resolving your case. That's your choice. Mr. Regier, is there anything else that we need to address regarding Mr. Tony at this time?
No, Your Honor.
Right, very well then. This Tony matter will be in recess, and this meeting may be ended for all at this time.
Do you think this show is educational?
Yes, it'll drive people to read books.
And once again, thanks for hanging out with us on Facts or Frauds. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button, you're subscribed, and ring that bell for notifications so next time premiere video you can meet a live chat with everyone else and leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. And a huge thank you to our channel members Robert Morley, Ann D, Chris Kelling, Pedro Guacamole, God's the Truth, Pat's Cats, Existential Angst, CW1960, Westside Girl Reacts, Butcher Bird, Jason Heaton, and Buddy Parker. If you'd like to become a member, just click on that join button right next to subscribe, or click on the link in the description. One Ishi. Thank you. I appreciate you all. And if you're still hanging around watching, why not hit that subscribe button? Yeah, hit the like button. And if you'd like to support the channel, hit that thanks button. Until next time, One Ishi. Thank you. I'll see you soon.